Hi, my name is Mattias Bostrom and I'm the VP Product Management here at Sensavis. Sensavis is a Swedish company and we produce a product called the 3D Classroom. 3D Classroom is the world leader in visualizations for education, and we enable teachers in more than 30 countries to include all students in the learning process and of all ages, from preschool all the way up to university. We were asked by HP to evaluate the Sprout, and we have seen a lot of advantages for the educator with the combination of Sprout and the 3D Classroom. With this video, we want to show you a few examples. One way for the educator to interact with the 3D Classroom and the Sprout is to connect it to an external screen. If you have a 3D screen or a 3D projector, you could do the stereoscopic 3D because our software supports it. You can connect the Sprout to any kind of external screen because of the high graphics capabilities of it. So let me show you a bit what the 3D Classroom is. It's real-time generated, so everything happens when I do it on the screen. It's interactive, so I can change the heart rate up here, or I can zoom in and out, like that. The heart is just one small sample of the 3D Classroom. So the heart is one small part of the cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system is a small part of the human body. The human body is one part of biology, and biology is one part of the 3D Classroom. It's very easy to navigate between the two screens and change things. So if I put this down here, it will adapt to this screen down here. One big trend with our users around the world is flipped classroom. So the teachers and the students, they produce videos, and those videos are something that the students look at before they go to class, so you can maximize the effectiveness in the classroom. But with the Sprout, you can take those videos to a whole different level. So I'm going to show you something. So I'm now recording myself through the webcam so my students can see me, and I also record the desktop on the table beneath me. So for example, if we are doing the skeleton and I want to talk about the different parts in the skeleton and make it really come to life, I can use the 3D Classroom and take out, for example, the hand, like that. Enhance it. Then I can put my own hand over it to show where the different bones go inside of my hand. And everything is being recorded. So we started to play a little bit with a couple of different ways to use inking together with the Sprite and the 3D Classroom. And when we did the script for this, we discovered something really cool. So as you can see, the touchpad has nothing on it. I'm steering it. If I put a paper over it, I'm still recording the same thing, and I can start labeling things. So this is the Golgi apparatus. That is the mitochondria. You get the picture. So what I can do next is I can zoom in a bit more. I'm going to use that one to get it faster. And then we get into the mitochondria, and we can see the two membranes. So membranes, like that. Or I can go even further inside of this cell until we see the chromosomes. So we have chromosomes, and inside of the chromosomes we have DNA. I can point out things, point at things. I can even draw things that's not there that I want to be there. And everything is recorded by the Sprout, as well as myself on the screen.
One additional feature of the Sprout is actually the ability to collaborate. So there is a way to collaborate using either HP My Room, which is a pre-installed software from HP with a license that's valid for 12 months. or in the future as well using a plugin for Skype for Business. So this gives the possibility to collaborate either across classrooms from classroom A to B, or with another school, for example, or even across the world using either of these options. So that's a very good way of interacting between students and teachers as well, using Sprout, and anything can be shared.